Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel your Discovery credit card. To cancel your Discovery credit card, the first thing to do is to open up a web browser. Now go to the URL box and type in discovery.co.za and search. Doing this will take you to the official website for Discovery. From the main homepage, scroll all the way down and then click on this drop-down right under Contact Us. Scroll down and choose View All Contact Details and click on Contact Us. Once you open up this Contact Discovery page, expand the option where it says Lost or Stolen Card and make a phone call on this number displayed on the screen. Now once you make a phone call, tell them that you'd like to cancel your credit card. Provide any details for your credit card for verification. The representative might ask the reason for cancellation and potentially offer deals to keep your business. Make sure to follow through the instructions to confirm and cancel your credit card, and you will be able to cancel your credit card for Discovery. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.